Modding Skyrim and encountered a Sky file in your mod downloads? This is a configuration or data component for one of gaming's most modded titles ever. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you get this mod file properly installed and working in your Skyrim setup. My experience tells me that some SKY files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. SKY files are mod-related data files associated with the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim containing mod configuration, data resource definitions, or custom content used by Skyrim modding tools and the creation engine. They may include texture definitions, lighting configurations, weather data, or mod manager settings depending on the specific modding utility that created them. SKY files are mod-related data files associated with the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim containing mod configuration, data resource definitions, or custom content used by Skyrim modding tools and the creation engine. They may include texture definitions, lighting configurations, weather data, or mod manager settings depending on the specific modding utility that created them. The fundamental reading standard for SKY is set by the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim from Bethesda Game Studios. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system. Windows cannot read natively. Windows gives only partial recognition, so actual content access requires the right game tools. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the SKY file and choose Open With. If you have the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. When a SKY file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the SKY format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, installing with mod managers. Use Mod Organizer 2 or Vortex to handle Sky files as part of a larger mod package. If the Sky file is bundled in a mod archive, the mod manager extracts and places it in the correct Skyrim data directory. Enable the mod in your manager's plugin list and verify the load order using loot for conflict resolution. Next, manual installation. If the Sky file needs manual placement, identify the correct subdirectory within Skyrim's data folder based on the file's purpose. Texture and mesh-related files go in their respective subdirectory trees. Copy the Sky file to the appropriate location and ensure any associated ESP or ESM plugin files are activated in your load order. Finally, troubleshooting mod issues. If Skyrim crashes after installing the Sky mod file, check for conflicts with other installed mods using Loot or Rybash. Verify that all mod dependencies and required frameworks like SKSE are installed. Review the mod's documentation page on Nexus Mods for specific installation instructions, compatibility notes, and known issue workarounds. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.